My name is Victoria Salinas, and this is my app called Pop Tickets. So, to start, it has 4 different theater locations throughout the city. So the first one is the Embarcadero Center and Cinema. Basically, when the user taps on a pin, it'll give the name of the theater and a short description of it and what kind of films they show. So next theater is New Mission. Following theater is the Castro Theater. And the last theater is the Balboa Theater. And down here, I created a price estimator where the user can input however many people they're taking with them to go to the movies and the cost of tickets. So let's say they're taking maybe 3 people, and tickets are $7 each. It will create a general estimate of how much the tickets should cost. And after about 2 seconds, it clears so that the user can enter more numbers if they need to. Okay. I also added this drawer navigator tab so that it's easier to navigate between screens rather than having to press a button to go to the next screen. So here we have the Fandango screen, and it has a list of all of the theater locations and a web viewer here. So when I click on it, it should go to that specific theater's Fandango page. It does take a little long to load, but here we have the Alamo Drafthouse New Mission, and it has all the show times here, and the user can just purchase their tickets through here without having to go through the hassle of having to search for different theaters and show times. Next we have the Castro Theater and their webpage, so it's kind of similar. The Embarcadero Center. They actually don't use Fandango, they use a website called Landmark Theaters, so it's good to have, rather than having to find this out through searching. Lastly, we have the Balboa Theater and their showtimes. And the final screen is actually a neighborhood screen, so it tells the user a little bit about the areas of which the theaters are located in. So I used Airbnb because it contains good descriptions and maps and pictures of each neighborhood, so I thought that was kind of interesting. Let's start with Castro, actually. Again, sometimes it takes a little while to load, which is the only issue with the web viewer that I've had so far. Okay. So for the Castro, it has a bunch of different pictures and a map location, and generally a pretty good description up here. And then it even has a picture